Hey you guys, hola. Today we will be testing maximum wing velocity of a swallow or maximum drone velocity of watermelon props on 6S with 2208 1800 kV motors. We'll do the second one because I don't have a swallow. Okay, so I just want to say I flew 3 packs trying to capture the top speed. The GPS is a little wonky, so I'm just going to show you the times when the GPS seemed to be accurate. That's why I use the graph over on the side, because it usually gives me a good indicator of when it's not working correct. My batteries absolutely hate everything about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that the verdict is between 60 to 65 miles an hour, and I will let the rest of this video take you away with some freestyle. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Catch me on the next one. I got some more props to try. Stick around. And it's raining. I'm lucky I didn't fall out of the sky, I guess. That concludes that. We'll review the footage, see how fast it went. Some wobbles there I noticed, but let's see what happens.